What a lovely day to visit the park. What? The flowers are so beautiful today. Wait, can you hear a baby crying? I can hear it too. Let's see where the crying is coming from. Oh no, the baby is all alone. Don't worry, we're here to help you.
It's all right. We'll help you. Emma, please find a park ranger.
I'll stay with the baby.
I'll find someone to help.
Excuse me. Please help us. There's a baby all alone near the bench.
Show me where the baby is.
Hello, little one.
Ma?
You're safe now. I can't see the baby's family.
Please send the police to the North Playground.
Everything will be all right.
The police are here.
The police are coming.
Hello, everyone.
Thank you for helping this little one.
Hello, little one. She's smiling now.
We heard her crying and stayed with her.
You both did exactly the right thing. She has an emergency bracelet.
I think we can call her family. Hello, we found your little girl. Yes, your little girl is safe.
Her mum is on the way.
She'll be so happy to see her mum. I think that's her mum. My baby. Mummy. I'm so glad you're safe.
We're happy she's safe. You both made a very good choice today. You stayed calm and made the right choice.
We only wanted to help.
Always stay with a lost child if it is safe. Always ask a trusted adult or the police for help.
Never leave a lost child alone.
Thank you for protecting my little girl.
You are both wonderful helpers.
This is a happy day.